Most people already have content sitting in their computer right now. PDFs, PowerPoints, lecture slides, training docs, and blogs. And some of it probably took hours to make. But turning that all into a polished video usually means rewriting everything, recording voiceovers, editing scenes manually, adding captions, finding visuals, and just rebuilding the entire thing from scratch. And for most people, that's just not viable. But now you can upload a document directly into HeyGen and turn it into a full video presentation automatically. An AI presenter, a voiceover, scenes, visuals, captions, all built from the document itself. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on any future AI workflows that we make and tutorials. All right, so this is what usually happens. You spend hours building a presentation or writing a long document, and the information itself is solid, but static documents can only get you so far. Because if you want to turn that into a video manually, that is a lot more work on your plate. And for most people, that's just where the process is gonna stop. But now this is where HeyGen's document to video feature really changes everything. Instead of rebuilding the content manually, you upload a document into HeyGen, and it starts building the video for you automatically. All you have to do is upload the file, and now it's scanning the structure, identifying specific sections, pulling key points, and actually building scenes around the information that it's given. And just within a few minutes, you already have a fully structured video presentation.
We are a diversified provider of technology-enabled services. In 2023, the company achieved significant financial growth. Leadership is confident in the company's long-term trajectory.
It's the same content, but a way higher production value. And all right, let me show you the workflow. First, you want to load up HeyGen and go into the Apps tab. Then you can open up the Document to Video tool, or as listed, the PPT/PDF to video. In this section, you can either choose to have a static photo slideshow, or like I've been talking about, the video one. From here, you can upload PDFs, PowerPoints, Word documents, reports, blog content. And then once the file uploads, HeyGen automatically starts creating scenes from that document. And this is the important part. It is not just pasting text onto random slides. It's restructuring that information into an actual video format with pacing, visuals, narration, and captions. Because videos need movement, scene changes, visual flow, and structure. Otherwise, it's gonna feel like a screen recording of somebody suffering through a PowerPoint presentation. Oh my goodness, finally, it's the last one. No. Now let's take a look at a PDF example. This right here is a pretty standard document. Lots of text, lots of information. Now let's see what happens when we upload it to HeyGen and turn it into a video presentation.
We are a diversified provider of technology-enabled services. Leadership is confident in the company's long-term trajectory.
Now it has scene structure, visual pacing, voiceover, captions, and the optional AI presenter guiding the content if you want. And honestly, it just feels so much more engaging and polished. And the best part is you didn't even change any of the information. You just changed how easy it is to consume it. Now, PowerPoints are another huge player because a lot of presentations already have really good information. They just don't feel dynamic. Now compare that to this.
Groundbreaking research shows that appearing productive differs from actual productivity. Opening a spreadsheet boosts perceived productivity by 58%. Mastering emergency phrases like "I'm absolutely slammed right now" can effectively deflect interruptions.
Instead of static slides, you've got an actual presenter walking through the content naturally. The pacing feels smoother, the visuals feel cleaner, and it turns a normal presentation into something that feels way more modern. And now this also works really, really well for blog content, because if you already wrote an article, you already did the hard part. Now, instead of rewriting every single thing from that into a script manually, you can transform that article into content so much faster.
Welcome to Why Everyone is Starting a Side Hustle in 2026. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok offer new opportunities for digital products and coaching. Stop waiting for the perfect idea. Successful side hustles thrive on consistency.
And this is especially useful if you're trying to repurpose your content across multiple platforms. One blog post can become a video explainer, a presentation, short form clips, or training material, or just any kind of social content. But now, once the scenes are actually generated, you can customize how the presentation actually feels. You can use an AI avatar, a digital twin of yourself, or just the voice. And then you can customize the voice and the delivery style, more professional, more conversational, more educational, or energetic, because the same presentation can feel super different depending on how it's delivered. And another thing that helps a lot is captions, because even if somebody's listening to your video, captions are a visual aspect that helps keep the viewer's eyes locked on the video. They add movement, structure, and visual engagement instead of making the whole thing just feel like a flat voiceover. And combined with visuals, layouts, and scene pacing, the final version feels much more polished and reading off a random slide deck. And now honestly, one of the biggest biggest, if not the biggest advantages here is speed, because what normally takes hours of editing can now be made from the content that you already have. And you're not locked into the first version either. You can still edit scenes and change visuals, swap avatars or rewrite whole sections, and adjust pacing and voices. So really, instead of it replacing creativity, it's just removing a lot of the repetitive setup work. But now let me show you the before and after difference. Here's the before. We have static documents, super text heavy presentations, a manual video workflow, and just an overall lower production value. But now after, we have presenter-led videos, captions and visuals, really nicely structured pacing, a faster workflow, and just a more polished presentation format. Still, it's the same information, just a completely different way of presenting it. So if you didn't already know, you probably already have a lot more content ready than you think. PDFs, blogs, slides, and documents are all still very useful. But now you could take that same exact information and turn it into a much more polished presentation with barely any more work, and not having to start from scratch every time. By no means are you replacing the original format. You're just giving it another way to be seen, shared, and understood. So if you already have documents, presentations, or just written content laying around, don't stop at just the document. Turn it into something more dynamic. But now everybody, if you want more HeyGen tutorials and AI workflows just like this one, make sure you're subscribed and you have the bell notifications turned on so you never miss out on one of our next uploads. And while you're at it, you might as well go check out some of the other videos on our channel to help you get better with your workflow.